Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping. Exfoliate lips and buff cheeks so the tint adheres evenly. Apply a light, non-greasy moisturizer or balm and let it sink in for 1 to 2 minutes. This prevents patchiness. Next, pick up the tiniest amount of tint, a dot on the center of each lip and a dot on each apple of your cheeks. Once done, use the pad of your finger or a damp sponge to blend outward in soft, circular motions to deposit color gradually. You now focus on building and shaping the color. Layering is key. Apply additional thin coats, never a heavy blob, to intensify. Use your finger for warmth to melt the tint into skin for a skin-like finish, or a damp sponge to diffuse edges for a softer look. Tap lightly to blend rather than swipe, then step back and check symmetry between sides and between lips and cheeks. If one area reads stronger, diffuse it with a clean finger or sponge to achieve balanced. Finish by setting. Press a sheer translucent powder over cheeks and lightly blot lips with tissue, or mist with a setting spray to lock the tint in place. Make sure to clean edges with a small brush and concealer for a crisp border. This elevates the look. If something goes wrong and you see patchiness or unevenness, don't panic. Remove the product with balm, moisturize briefly, then restart using much thinner layers and shorter blending strokes. This usually solves blotchy or overstained spots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.